Secrets airlines don't want you to know. What if I told you that in 2025, you could walk into an airport with zero stress, skip the worst lines, get VIP perks without paying for first class, and even have your luggage waiting for you before you reach baggage claim? Sounds like science fiction. It's not. The future of air travel is here, and I'm about to reveal 40 powerful airport hacks that airlines and airports would rather you didn't know about. And here's the deal. The best hacks are at the end, so stick around. Trust me, by the time you finish this video, you'll never look at airports the same way again. 1. The digital passport that gets you through security in seconds. In 2025, more airports have switched to biometric e-passports linked to your face scan. Hack: register early online before your trip. When you arrive, you skip the traditional document check entirely. The scanner recognizes you instantly, and you're cleared in under 8 seconds. And if your country isn't offering this yet, enroll in a partner airport program like IATA's One ID. It works internationally. 2. AI security lane prediction. Ever notice how one security lane moves faster than the others? In 2025, airport apps now use AI to predict exactly which security checkpoint will clear fastest based on real-time passenger flow. Hack: check your airport's live security tracker before you even leave home and walk straight to the shortest lane. No more guessing. 3. Pre-order airport food before you even arrive. Waiting 20 minutes for a coffee before boarding? Not anymore. Airports now have click and collect gateside ordering. Hack: order via the airport's mobile app while you're still in your Uber. Your meal is ready when you arrive. No queues, no rush. 4. Skip baggage claim entirely. This one is a game changer. Several airports in Asia, the Middle East, and now parts of Europe offer door-to-door luggage delivery. You check your bag at departure, and it's sent straight to your home or hotel at arrival. No baggage carousel, no waiting. Some premium credit cards now include this service for free. 5. Use the empty left rule at security. It's simple psychology. Most people are right-handed, so they turn right at queues. Turn left, and 8 out of 10 times, that lane is faster. Even in 2025, human habits beat tech sometimes. 6. Book flights from the silent airport. In 2025, silent airports, where no loudspeaker boarding calls are made, are becoming more common. Passengers rely on app notifications. Hack: if you hate noisy terminals, search for airports tagged as silent when booking your connection. 7. Bring a digital water bottle. New smart bottles now tell you water fountain locations inside the airport. Many even have UV sterilization caps, so you can refill anywhere without fear of bacteria. No more $5 bottled water. Without choice, lounge access. Without a ticket upgrade, with apps like Lounge Buddy and Priority Pass Flex, you can now buy single-entry passes to luxury lounges even with an economy ticket. Prices in 2025? As low as $22 in some airports. 9. Pre-security meeting points. Traveling with someone but on different flights? Hack the landside lounges, areas before security where you can hang out together without passing through TSA twice. 10. Real-time gate change. Alerts airports in 2025 are infamous for last-minute gate changes. Avoid the panic by using flight tracker apps like Flighty or App in the Air that send push alerts before the airport does. 11. Biometric boarding passes. Airlines like Delta and Emirates now let you board with just your face. Hack: enroll online and you skip scanning paper or phones. The camera clears you in 2 seconds. 12. VIP security access without business class. In 2025, many airports sell fast-track passes for $10 to $15. Buy it online in advance and bypass economy security lanes completely. 13. Scan for empty flights before booking hack. Use booking engines that show current load factors. Pick flights under 70% full and enjoy a whole row to yourself. 14. Use baggage tracking tags. AirTags, Tile, and new GPS tags are now recognized by some airlines. They can even show your luggage's last scan point inside the airport. If it's lost, you know before the airline does. 15. Hidden power outlet zones. Many airports now hide extra outlets behind seating rows or in work pods. Search your airport's map in advance. Those spots never have waiting lines. 16. Book airport spa appointments in advance. In 2025, airports have more spa and nap pods than ever. Reserve early, and you avoid the long walk-up queues. 17. Upgrade at the counter for less. Last-minute upgrades at the airport are cheaper than booking business class online, sometimes 70% less. Ask politely at check-in. Airlines would rather sell empty seats than leave them vacant. 18. Night flights equals empty airports. If you book flights after 10 p.m., you bypass peak crowds. Bonus: in 2025, late-night lounges often offer discounts. 19. Virtual queuing for security. Heathrow, JFK, and Dubai now offer app-based queue reservations. You choose a time slot, walk straight in, and skip the waiting entirely. 20. Pre-clearance airports. Some airports, like Dublin for US-bound flights, clear immigration for your destination before you even board. You land like a domestic passenger. No customs lines. 21. Book smart connections to skip immigration hassles. Some airports in 2025 now have AI-managed connection corridors. You never technically enter the country, so you bypass immigration entirely during layovers. 22. Skip the boarding stampede. Airlines love boarding in chaotic groups. But here's the trick. In 2025, most carriers close overhead bins by section. Wait until your zone is halfway through boarding. Your bin will still be free, and you avoid the sardine shuffle. 23. Book the secret window on connections. If you've got 2 flights in the same booking, call the airline and ask for the protected minimum connection window. Why? If your first flight is late, they'll guarantee to rebook you for free. No overnight hotel cost. 24. Use airport sleep pods. Wisely, in 2025, nearly every megahub has hourly sleep pods. Hack: book them by app the night before your flight. Rates are often 40% cheaper online versus walk-up. 25. Leverage meet and greet services. This sounds VIP, but in 2025, they're surprisingly affordable. You pay a small fee, and a personal guide meets you at arrival, rushes you through immigration, and escorts you to your gate or taxi. Perfect for huge airports like Istanbul or Dubai. 26. Hidden airport museums and viewing decks. Many airports now feature free cultural exhibits or panoramic decks that most travelers don't know about. In 2025, you can find them in airport apps under Explore. They're perfect for layover entertainment, and they're quiet. 27. Always pack a portable multi-charger. Airports in 2025 still have limited charging points. A portable multi-USB hub turns one outlet into 4. You instantly become the most popular person in the waiting area. 28. Throwaway ticketing for cheaper fares. It's controversial, but still works in 2025. Book a cheaper multi-city flight that includes your real destination as a layover. And simply don't board the last leg. Warning: only use for one-way flights, as airlines may cancel your return ticket. 29. Use the last-minute business lounge discount. 2 hours before closing, many lounges offer entry at half price. If your flight is late at night, you can enjoy the same champagne and buffet for less. 30. Use AR wayfinding in large airports. Mega airports like Singapore, Changi, and Beijing Daxing have augmented reality wayfinding in their apps. Just hold up your phone, and arrows appear in your camera view, guiding you to your gate or coffee shop. 31. Instant boarding group upgrade. In 2025, airlines often sell priority boarding at the gate for as low as $5 to $10 if business class is full. It's the cheapest way to board first and claim prime overhead bin space. 32. Pre-book airport showers. After a red-eye, a shower can be life-changing. Hack: apps like Lounge Buddy and Tav Mobile let you book public airport showers in advance, so you're not waiting in line sweaty and miserable. 33. Always know. Gate distance time. Large airports can take 25 to 40 minutes to walk from security to your gate. Apps like Gate Guru and integrated airport maps now show walking time estimates. No more panic sprints. 34. Leverage flight delay compensation in real time. In 2025, AI services like AirHelp Live can auto-file for EU 261 or similar compensation while you're still at the airport. You get notified instantly if you're eligible. No paperwork, no chasing airlines for months. 35. Use luggage-free layovers. Some airports now offer luggage storage right after customs, so you can explore the city without dragging bags. In 2025, this is app-based. Reserve a locker while still in the air. 36. Double dip on airline miles. When booking through certain travel portals in 2025, you can now earn both airline miles and credit card points for the same ticket. It's like getting paid twice to fly. 37. Tap into local SIM vending machines. Airports in 2025 have eSIM vending kiosks where you scan a QR code and get instant mobile data for the country you've landed in. No more hunting for Wi-Fi. 38. Use boarding gate swaps for a shorter walk. If your flight isn't full, gate agents sometimes switch gates to ones closer to the main terminal for operational convenience. Hack: politely ask if a nearer gate is available. You'd be surprised how often they can change it. 39. Pack a foldable luggage scale. Even in 2025, overweight bag fees are brutal. A pocket-sized luggage scale lets you redistribute weight before check-in. No more surprise charges. 40. The board last, leave first. Trick: if you're traveling light, board last so you can sit in a near-empty back row. When you land, rear doors often open first for buses to the terminal. You'll beat half the plane to immigration. And there you have it, 40 hacks that still work in 2025, and in some cases, work better now than ever before. If you've been watching all the way through, you're officially part of the elite 1% of travelers who actually know how to game the airport system. Now imagine combining these hacks: fast-track security, no baggage claim, lounge access without paying for business class. Your airport days will feel like you're a VIP every single time. If you found even one of these tips useful, drop a comment with your favorite hack, share this with your travel buddy, and make sure you subscribe, because our next video will uncover the secrets pilots wish passengers didn't know. Flying in 2025 doesn't have to be stressful if you know how to work the system.